Hi everybody, it's Marla from marlameredith.com, and today I'm going to be talking about how to keep your platinum hair looking spectacular. So if you've been following me for some time now, you probably know that back about a year ago, my hair was jet black. So my hairdresser and I have been taking a really long, cautious time to get it this awesome platinum color. But you must be patient with the process because otherwise you could fry your hair. So I'm going to show you guys today my absolute favorite products to keep my hair healthy and looking its very best. So what's with purple shampoo anyways? If you've never used it before, why you use it is to keep this icy blonde look. It keeps your hair from becoming too brassy or too yellow. In between washing with the purple shampoo, I'll use a color-free shampoo to sort of detox it and keep it healthy. I also use very hydrating conditioners, and about 2 to 3 times a week I sleep with the Olaplex 3 in my hair to make sure that my strands stay as healthy as possible, because platinum can really take a beating on your hair. Oh, another thing that was recommended to me was sleeping on a silk pillowcase. It helps protect your strands from becoming too brittle and from breaking, and also it feels really good on your skin. So possibly by now you've wondered if you should invest in a Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, and I have to say, it's pretty much my favorite thing ever. Okay, so why is it so good? It keeps a really consistent heat, and the airflow through it means that you're drying your hair so much faster than with a lot of the other hair dryers out there, and that means you cause way less damage to your hair. It also makes it really shiny.